Hey friends, welcome back to another unboxing and review video. Today we are going to be talking about the Pulsetto and specifically the Pulsetto Fit. This is their newest version. The Pulsetto Fit is a vagus nerve stimulator. So the vagus nerve is a long nerve that goes from your brainstem down into your abdomen, and it controls a lot of important things in your body. It is a key part of your parasympathetic nervous system. So that is the rest and digest mode of your nervous system. It also affects your digestion. It controls stomach acid and enzyme release as well as gut motility. So having your vagus nerve toned or well regulated can have some massive effects on your health. And of course, if your vagus nerve is not well regulated, it can have a lot of negative impacts on your health. There are lots of natural ways to stimulate your vagus nerve, like deep breathing or singing or humming. Cold exposure is another one. But one foolproof way is a vagus nerve stimulator. I had never tried one before, so I was really interested to see what it was all about. Pulsetto reached out to me about a month ago and asked if I was interested in reviewing, and so I said yes, and I've been using it for about 3 weeks now, so I have some data to share. I went ahead and put it all back together like in the box the way it came, so I can show you like how it comes in the box. So we're going to do the unboxing, then we're going to talk about kind of how it works and the app and all of that. And then I'm going to share my own experience and then try to answer the question, is the Pulsetto worth it? So this is how it comes in the box. We have the user manual. We have the device itself. And then underneath here, we have a charging cord, and it does charge with a USB-C. So that is nice. It's not any weird proprietary charging cord. Okay, and this is the Pulsetto Fit, and the fit has to do with options to make it fit your own personal body because different people have different sizes of necks, and so they have these different options for pads that you can put in order to get it to fit and sit on your neck just right. And then the last thing here in the box is the electrode gel. Yes, you do have to use the electrode gel in order to get a good connection to your neck because you are getting electrical pulses. That is what stimulates that vagus nerve. So aside from the different options of the padding you can use on the neck, the sides of the device are actually adjustable as well. So this really could fit a lot of different size necks. And I love how these pads fit in here. They have little magnets in here, so they just pop right in. And I mean, they just magnetize to it. It's very, very simple. So this is the extra thick pad. And then you have one that's a little bit thinner that you could switch it out. And so this is also great if you have multiple people that are going to be using the device. There's just lots of different options. So you can see here, this is where the charging port is. My only gripe with the design of the whole thing is that I feel like this charging port should have some kind of a flap cover on it, just because you are using the gel on the electrodes here. I just worry that gel would get into here. It hasn't happened yet. I've been using it for 3 weeks, and so maybe it's like an unfounded fear, but just for peace of mind, I would prefer some kind of a little cover over that. Besides that, I think it is designed really, really well. It fits really nicely. I will show you, where I put it on my neck and all of that. I tend to use the bigger pad here, and then I do adjust it a little bit. So maybe I could get away with the smaller pad and not adjusting it, but I like having the big pad, and then I can pull these and adjust it on my neck as needed. That's really all there is to the unboxing. It's a very simple setup. There is an app, and you'll notice that there is a paid option, like a monthly or an annually paid upgrade to the app that you can get, but it's important to note that you don't have to get that in order to use the product. You can buy the product and use the free options on the app and still get all of the benefits of the product. And all of the results that I'm going to be sharing was using the free options. So after you've downloaded the app and you have your whole account set up, it's really easy to start a program or a stimulation where you just turn on the power button here, and it's green when it's on, but then it turns purple when it's actually functioning and it's like the program is running. So like I said, you do need the gel, and you can either apply it to your neck. You'd put it on the sides of your neck where you would feel your pulse, Or I have found that I can use less gel and it works just as well, and it's kind of less messy if I just put the gel directly onto the electrodes. So I actually just use a really tiny amount because it is going directly on the electrodes. That's about all that I've been using. I used a lot the first few times I used it, and then I tried it this way and I was like, well, if I can get away with using a lot less gel, then why not? I just kind of dab it on here and it's ready to go. Okay, because of the gel, I do find it is important for me to put my hair up when I use it. Otherwise, when I take it off, I did this once where I took it off and didn't realize till later that I had like a smear of gel in my hair. So I put it on just like this. So I have the big pad on here, and then I just kind of pull it. You don't want it to be like right on your throat, and you don't want it to be like super far back like on your tendons here. You want it to be like right where you would feel your pulse, where your carotid artery is, because that's where that vagus nerve, it kind of follows the same path. So about like that. And then I'm ready to start my program. So here is the Pulsetto app. You can see up here my daily stimulation streak that I have going on. Ignore this health monitor thing. This is something that is part of the paid version, and I don't know where these sleep scores and HRV scores and stuff are coming from, but they're not accurate. So ignore that. But the stimulation options you have for the free version is burnout, sleep, stress, anxiety, and pain. And then there's some of the different options for the paid version. Before bed, I will do the sleep option, but besides that, I just kind of cycle through these other ones. Not usually pain unless I specifically have a headache or something, but I'll kind of just cycle through the burnout, stress, and anxiety just because they're each a little bit different, and I'm not working on one of those specific things. I just want the benefits of the nerve stimulation, so I just kind of cycle through the different options to have them be a little bit different every time, although they do feel pretty similar, and apparently you get very similar benefits from each of them. They're just very slightly different. So I'm going to make sure my Pulsetto is still turned on, pressing the power button on the device, and then I'm going to hit the burnout. And it has connected. I have it set here on intensity level 5. You can go from 1 to 9. And definitely when you first start out, you want to start very low intensity because it is kind of a weird sensation to get used to, but then you can bump it up. Usually I'm around like 7 or so, but we're just going to stick to 5 here. I'm going to hit the play button down here and it's going to get started. You can add music if you'd like to really, get some calming in. And then also over here, you have an option to reduce the light on the device. If you're doing it at night or something and you don't want it super bright, you can lower the level of the light. Each of the programs has its own time. This one is 6 minutes. You can add a couple minutes or you can take a couple minutes away. So you can adjust it a little bit, but not a ton. Once you've added a couple minutes, you can't add any more. So what you feel is like a tingling electrical pulses. It's not anything painful, or it is weird. It's not something that you normally feel, but it feels good, and it moves around. You can feel the electrical pulses move and kind of pull. The first time I put it on and used it, I took it off and I looked at it because I was like, are these things actually moving? Like those little silver electrode balls, are they moving? Because that's what it feels like. It feels like they're moving around, kind of like a massage chair that has things in the back that move up and down. That's what this feels like, but they're not actually moving. It's just the electrical pulses that are moving. So it's a really weird sensation to get used to, but it's not unpleasant. It's recommended to do daily stimulations once or twice a day. I have been doing it in the morning. I pair it with my red light therapy, so it's not taking up extra time in my day. And then I also try to do it at night before bed, but I found that I enjoy it so much that occasionally I will do an afternoon session as well. It really does feel relaxing, and I'll get more into that when I talk about my own personal experience. But I've been doing it at least 2 times a day, sometimes 3. And getting it in daily, they say, is important for vagal tone, because it's kind of like toning a muscle, I guess, where it's like you want to exercise it in order to get it to become more resilient. So after you're done, all you have to do is give it a little wipe to get the excess gel off. A little wipe on your neck, get the gel off, and it's pretty simple. And I'm just gonna hold down the power button to turn it off. So now getting into my own results and thoughts about the product. Like I said, I've been using it for about 3 weeks now, and I noticed right off when I first started using it that I liked it. And it does feel kind of like a little massage on your neck. It wasn't like it made me sleepy after the stimulation was over or anything like that. Like, it wasn't like a really definite, oh, it has this exact effect on me. I just felt like I enjoyed it. So it was really easy to incorporate it into my daily routine, because there was something in me like, oh, I want to do more of that. It feels good somehow. And I say that because there are other health habits that I have or have had, and I know that they're good for me, but it's just like, the example I'll give is dry brushing. I've talked about that before, and dry brushing is really good for you, and there's a lot of different benefits, but I'm not drawn to do it. Like, it's a struggle to like make myself do it, which means I often fall out of the habit of doing it. And so things like red light therapy, really easy for me to remember to do it and have it part of my daily routine, because I love how it makes me feel. And I found that I had that same kind of reaction, emotional, physical reaction to using the Pulsetto. So, if I was wanting it to relax in the afternoon, if we just, gotten home from a busy morning or whatever, I'd be like, oh, that sounds good. Sounds good to sit, and relax on my bed and do a session of Pulsetto. So I could feel that it was relaxing and pleasant, and that my body liked it. I also noticed pretty immediately that my dreams kind of changed. I usually have dreams, but as soon as I started using the Pulsetto, and I mean like the very first night after I started using it, my dreams just got more vivid and more detailed. Those long dreams where it's like so many things happen and everything is kind of like crystal clear. That's what it felt like. My dreams just intensified. I also noticed probably a week or a week and a half in that I did feel like I was overall feeling less stressed throughout the days. So like if something stressful came up, I had more of like a happy-go-lucky attitude about it. Overall, I do think I just had a boost in my mood. It was easier to remain positive. Those benefits that you hear about having a toned vagal nerve, I felt like I did receive, like just more patience, more of a positive attitude, general overall stress reduction. Now getting into metrics, because I do have an ultrahuman ring where I track my sleep and my HRV and my resting heart rate and all of those things. So when I first started using the Pulsetto and I noticed that effect on my dreams, I was like, oh, this is great. I'm excited to see what my sleep score does. And I did not have any kind of a big jump in my sleep score. Like I kind of felt like I would have. The first couple of weeks, really, I didn't see any big shifts day to day. And I was like, oh, that's interesting. Like I'm feeling these effects, but it's not translating to any numbers on my app, on my sleep score. But then the Ultrahuman Ring gives a weekly overview. Every week it'll give you a report of how things were this week, and it shows this week and then the 2 previous weeks from that. And so after 2 weeks of using the Pulsetto, I looked at my report and I noticed that my sleep score had been increasing, not dramatically, like I said, but a steady increase. So even though like from day to day, I wasn't seeing anything dramatic, overall, my sleep scores were increasing. Also, when I went back and looked at the data, I found that my percentage of restful sleep increased. They were in the like mid 30% range, and they have bumped up to the high 30% into the 40, like low 40% range. So that was definitely encouraging. As far as HRV, I did not see an increase in HRV over the first couple of weeks, but in this past week, I have seen quite a big jump. And, you know, HRV, it can kind of go up and down. So it'll be really interesting to see like how the trend continues. But I was seeing like my nighttime HRV in the 30s, and now it's somewhere in the 40s. And so, and that's just been in the past week. So in the first 2 weeks, I really didn't see any change. And they do say, Pulsetto in their information, they say, give it a couple of weeks because you're kind of, you're building your vagal tone. It's not something that just happens overnight necessarily. It's kind of like exercise or something like that, where you put in the work and you gradually see the improvements. And I definitely have noticed that for myself. So as far as the question, is it worth it? Obviously, that's going to be different for different people depending on their circumstances and what they're looking for. For myself, I would say absolutely yes. I have been very, very happy with how overall it's made me feel, the increase in sleep scores, and just the overall sense of more resilience and overall calm. That is not something that I have achieved with the other interventions and lifestyle that I have been living. And so adding on top of that, this, I think it has been absolutely beneficial for me. Now, I will say that with any kind of a product like this, or, you know, red light therapy or different things like that, they're not magical devices that are going to cancel out a really unhealthy lifestyle. If you're eating all kinds of junk food and staying up all night and smoking and drinking and all of that, these aren't going to magically fix that. But if you have a good baseline in all of those lifestyle habits and you're still looking for ways to optimize, I think the Pulsetto is a great option for that. I love the fact that you can use the device without paying any kind of a monthly subscription fee. If there was a subscription fee involved just to use it, I would struggle with saying if it's worth it or not. But the fact that you can buy the product and use it without any more money out of your pocket, I love that. So that's another reason why I say that it's definitely worth it. It would be really interesting to somehow have some kind of a study that looks at the natural ways of stimulating the vagus nerve, like the singing and the humming and the gargling and all the things, and kind of compare it, like how much of that do you have to do to get the effects that you get from, you know, a vagal nerve stimulator like the Pulsetto, because that would be another thing that I would want to look at to say, is it worth it or not? You know, if you could just sing for 5 minutes a day and get all of the benefits, then maybe it's not worth it. But I have a feeling that you're going to have to do a lot of gargling, a lot of humming. Like the things that I've looked at, it's like gargle water for 10 minutes or until your eyes start to water. And I'm just like, no, I'm probably not going to do that a couple of times a day. But I don't really have, you know, the hard data on that. But from what I see at this point, it would probably take a lot of work to use those natural stimulators to get the same effect from the Pulsetto. That's just my guess. So let me know if a vagal nerve stimulator is something you would ever be interested in trying. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. I will have a link down below for you to check out the Pulsetto and a coupon code as well to get a discount. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you again in the next video.